Eagle Ridge Ranch consists of 10,237 contiguous acres in beautiful Spanish Fork Canyon, Utah. This gorgeous ranch is bordered on the north by 2.5 miles of the Spanish Fork River, has an eastern boundary of Thistle Creek, and a western boundary flanked by Loafer Mountain Wildlife Area. The ranch has very diverse topography, as well as many creeks, springs, and a private lake. Although Eagle Ridge Ranch is very secluded, it is within 10 minutes of the city of Spanish Fork and the rapidly expanding Wasatch Front. The north entrance to the ranch is located at the base of Spanish Fork Canyon, off Highway 6, 10 miles east and south of Spanish Fork, and its access to Interstate 15. The north entrance to Eagle Ridge Ranch is approximately 20 miles from Provo and 55 miles from Salt Lake City. Utah state officials are predicting a 67% growth along the Wasatch Front by 2040. With a job growth of 6.5% compared to the national average of 2.0%, Utah rates fourth in the nation for job growth. This growth, combined with the favorable location of Eagle Ridge Ranch, provides strong marketing and developmental opportunities. Multifaceted development potential planning assessments have been prepared for the property, which cover several aspects of development, including a residential development, a conservation easement and its tax benefits, and a private golf club and ski resort, to name a few of the potential uses. The property is currently zoned as CE2, allowing one home per 20 acres, but can be clustered into lots as small as 10,000 square feet. Preliminary slope studies indicate over 70% of the northern portion of the ranch is developable, having less than a 30% slope, and the southern portion of the ranch is comprised of even gentler terrain. A plan for Eagle Ridge Ranch involving a partial conservation easement, while still developing sections of the ranch, suggests significant tax deductions. Eagle Ridge Ranch is ideal for a high-end residential development nestled into a private golf course and ski resort. Starting near the top of Loafer Mountain at an elevation of 10,200 feet, the ranch has a continuous skiable vertical of 4,700 feet. Eagle Ridge Ranch was previously owned by the city of Spanish Fork, and the city developed the water resources on the ranch for its use. Springs and wells have been developed and extensive water distribution lines have been constructed throughout many areas of the ranch and along its perimeter. A private lake, 10 acres plus in size, is visible from Highway 6 at the north entrance to Eagle Ridge Ranch. There are 3 active creeks on the ranch. Crab Creek flows year-round, and Schertz and Kirk Creek surface intermittently. The water rights transferring with Eagle Ridge Ranch are sufficient for 350 homes, and additional water rights are available for purchase. A diverse and abundant wildlife population makes itself at home at Eagle Ridge Ranch, including elk, mule deer, moose, wild turkey, black bear, mountain lion, small game species, and a myriad of feathered friends. Improvements on the ranch include a large barn on the north end of the property. The interior of the barn has a large loft area, and a small apartment has been roughed in with 2 bedrooms, kitchen, and dining living area. The 20 square miles of Eagle Ridge Ranch are comprised of high mountain alpine and subalpine forest, large areas of oak woodlands, flat unforested steppes and meadows, riparian areas along the creeks and river, and lower sagebrush country. Elevations that extend from 5,000 feet to 9,000 feet contribute to a diverse array of trees and vegetation ranging from, but not limited to, aspen, spruce, fir, and pine in the high country, oaks, maples, piñons, and junipers at mid-elevation, and cottonwoods, gamble oaks, and sage at lower elevations. The northern and parts of the southern portion of Eagle Ridge Ranch join with the Uinta National Forest, while the full western boundary of the ranch is adjacent to the Loafer Mountain State Wildlife Management Area, providing access to tens of thousands of acres for hiking, biking, horseback riding, big game hunting, fly fishing, ATVs, and more. This property is being offered exclusively by Premier Ranch Properties. representing Western ranchers with the values of yesterday and the technology of today.